So as we are moving ahead, and I think that will be a last class on this height and distance. Okay. So in this height and distance, we will realize some important questions. Okay. So moreover, all of you can start this height and distance chapter. Anyone is still not started this chapter? Good evening. Good evening, Deepshika. Anyone is still lagging to start the chapter? किसी को ऐसा है अभी तक start ही नहीं हुए हैं? Anyone? All of you have started the chapter, right? So just a second. Yeah. So let me repeat myself that we are conducting regular classes. Hana? All the things are getting recorded and they are available on YouTube channel Prakash Soni Oda class. Okay. The audio is on. You can directly tell. Hana? No need to raise hand. Okay. And we have covered electricity. We are covering electricity. I will do numericals, and still we have 2 lectures. Last 2 lectures is related to series and parallel. Okay. So then we have done triangle. Right now we are doing this trigo, and we have on height and distance. Okay. So moreover, directly, anyone have any concern, or I should start right with the question number 1. 1 and 2 are the most important that we must discuss. Okay. So question number 1, have you all studied? Then let me tell you directly. Okay. Question number 1 में था क्या? Prithvi, you are here. Prithvi, you are here. Fine. So the question is, question number 1. I have put it in the group now. Just a second. So in the question number 1, there is one tower. Okay, there is one tower. Okay, oh, just there is one vertical tower. Okay, this one is a vertical tower. Okay, and the question is we have to find the height of this tower. What extra things is given? That there is someone on the ground, ठीक है, जो उसके टॉप को देख रहा है, ठीक है ना, फ्रॉम हेयर ना, फॉर सपोज हेयर है ना, हेयर इट इज अक्षत, और अक्षत है ना टॉप ऑफ द टावर को देख रहा है, ठीक है. सो देन ये सर उठाएगा ना, दैट एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन, दिस एंगल इज गिवन एज 60 डिग्री, ठीक है. ओके, नाउ the angle of elevation of the top of a vertical tower from a point, so ground, say from this ground, for suppose this one is O, this one is A, and this is the top. AB is this our tower, okay? And what the question is, we have to find this height, okay? And there is another point which is 10 meter. Earlier we were seeing from O. Now the question is, from this point O, अब इसके आप थोड़ा कितना ऊपर चले जाओ, 10 meter above, है ना, इसी पॉइंट से ना आप 10 मीटर अबव चले जाओ, ठीक है. एंड फ्रॉम दिस नाउ यू आर सीइंग द अबव ऑफ दिस, आप अब इस टॉप को देख रहे हो, ठीक है. मींस जहां आप ओरिजिनली थे अब उससे 10 मीटर ऊपर आ गए, देन यू आर सीइंग द टॉप, राइट. देन द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन मींस दिस एंगल, अभी यहां पर हो, देन यू विल सी ना ऐसे, तो दिस एंगल विल बी लेसर, है ना, 60 डिग्री से कम होगा. कितना? व्हाट एवर द वैल्यू इट इज, 45 डिग्री. Okay, this angle is 45 degree. Now the question is, if this one is, ये जो height आप increase किया, this one is 10 meter, you have to find the height of this tower. ठीक है, this is the question. Fine. So how we are going to tackle this type of question? This is very frequent. This type of questions is very frequent in exams. So how I will tackle? See, everyone able to realize this question? Question सबको समझ में आ गया है?
Yes, sir.
So now start with the question.
Yes, sir.
Let it be like B. This one is already B. Na? So let it be C. This one is D. So now focus in this triangle BCD. Here it is B. Here it is C. And here it is D. Okay. The angle is 45 degree. Right. Whenever you see 45 degree, and this one is also 10. Na? See this one DO. This one DO and here CA, both will be 10, 10. Okay, and we have to find the height of the tower, that we have to find BA. The whole length we have to find. So let this part of the tower be h. Okay. Up to this B to C, let the height of this part is h, and the rest this 10. So height of the tower will be what? H plus 10. That we have to find. If we are able to find the h value, we will be able to find the height of this tower. अभी का समझ में आया है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this triangle BCD, this one is h. Okay. This one is 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to what? 1. All of you know tan 45 degree equal to perpendicular by base. Base is CD. So it will be BC by CD. BC by CD, that will be equal to what? H by CD. So from here, I can write that 1 equal to H by CD, or this height H is equal to CD. H equal to CD. ये सही है? तो जो ये लेंथ है ना, this length BC, वही लेंथ CD है ना? Both are equal. Because see, जब भी tan 45 degree होगा ना, it means that perpendicular or base are equal. Point में गया बच्चा? Everyone, let me know. Whenever you get 45 degree angle, na, whenever you get 45 degree, tan 45 degree, it means that perpendicular and base are equal. Okay. Now,
Okay.
come to this triangle. Which triangle it is? बच्चा like mute yourself. जहाँ noise आ रहा है. वो बच्चा mute yourself. Anyone is like has on his speaker ना. All of you mute yourself बच्चा. Mute yourself. Thavnesh बच्चा mute करो.
Sir, can you explain the previous part? I didn't understand.
हाँ. So only my point is like, if you are seeing this 45 degree in any, and if you are seeing this 45 degree is 1, right? So perpendicular by base, BC by CD, right? So you know BC equal to CD, BC CD equal hoga. Now BAO, in BAO, this angle is 60 degree, right? This angle is 60 degree. And what is the value of this BA? BA is H plus 10. ठीक है? So tan 60 degree equal to what? H plus 10, that is perpendicular. Like in front of this one is perpendicular, divided by what is base? AO. So tan 60 degree root under 3 equal to H plus 10 by AO. Fine. So now see this AO. Here it is AO now. This is AO. The AO length is same as CD. Right now? Right? This AO is equal to CD, and you know this CD is the height of H, this one, H. So can I write this as root under 3 equal to H plus 10 divided by this AO. AO is equal to CD, and this CD is equal to H. So I can directly write AO as H. समझ में आ रहा है? Tell me, be frank and tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes,
Because
sir.
see, this length and this length is equal, and this length is equal to this length. These all these green lines, right? You can see now. So in this, I can write this root under 3 equal to H by H plus 10 divided by H. So now start calculating. Just a second. Yeah. So if I start calculating, what I can see, root under 3H equal to H plus 10. So root under 3H minus H equal to 10. So next, all of you have seen that I have put a detailed solution in the group. So
Yes,
H bracket root over 3 minus 1
yes, sir.
H equal to 10 by root over 3 minus 1, right? So now, see, you can leave up to this, but you know about rationalization. Many of you will, if not know rationalization, see, you can multiply it with root under 3. Here it is minus sign, you should write here plus sign here. Into root under 3 plus 1. Okay. So now the next point will be 10 into root over 3 plus 1, root over 3 plus 1 divided by, see, root under 3 minus 1 into root under 3 plus 1. What is the formula? A
square
minus
minus
a minus b into a plus b. So answer is a square minus b square, right? In 9th class we have studied. So in place of a we have root under 3, so I will write root under 3 square, minus in place of b we have 1, so it is 1 square. So 10 root over 3 plus 1 divided by root under 3 square is 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So we get 5 root over 3 plus 1. Okay. What is the correct option? I think in your Kriti, you have sent me, na? Kriti, you are here? Kriti? In your homework question number 1, the correct answer is 5 root over 3 plus 1, right? Option number A. Getting my point? आपके क्वेश्चन में जो हाँ दिया है करेक्ट आंसर दैट इज ओनली, है ना, बट वो इट्स ओके, ठीक है, सिस्टम का फॉल्ट, यू हैव रियलाइज ना कि क्या सही है, दैट इज द ओनली पॉइंट. We are not क्या सही था नहीं था, don't fight on that, है ना. You have to understand the knowledge and perform in your boards. Okay, no one is going to, आप अगर बोर्ड में परफॉर्म कर दे तो no is going to ask कि आप साल भर क्या किए, right? But अगर मान लेते कोई बच्चा नहीं पढ़ा and somehow he managed to in recent 2-3 months ना he studied a lot and like get good marks, no one is going to ask you कि आप पहले नहीं पढ़ रहा था इसको अब कैसे नंबर आ गया. So if you are getting the things, it's okay, right? अभी it's okay. Okay, the answer is this much. Now come to the next question.
Group you have mentioned that B is correct, not A.
In the group I had mentioned that in question number 1, correct answer B, not A.
Yes, sir, but A is the correct answer.
A is the correct answer. What is the answer? It is 5. Okay, both are fine. B and A are like similar things. Both are coming.
No, sir, B option is 5 bracket root 3 plus 3.
So I have solved now, and in that 5 3 plus root over 3. Okay, fine. हाँ बिल्कुल देखो बच्चा अभी आंसर नहीं आया है. हाँ, now I come to the point. See what we have calculated. You noted, all of you noted that मैंने h का वैल्यू निकाला है. Now the point नहीं किया. बिल्कुल वो गलत है. कैसे? See, we have found this value ना, ये किसका वैल्यू है? This is the value of h only. h कहां से कहां तक है? This only. Getting my point? टावर का हाइट इज फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस, राइट? यहाँ बोला था ना, see this thing, h is up to this only na, height of tower is h plus 10, right? So what I will do, see 5 bracket root over 3 plus 1 plus 10 na. Getting my thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया ना? that the total that is है ना correct है ना, that both options are there. Teacher are also very clever, right? So अब समझ में आ गया. Now 5 over root 3, if I open this bracket, plus 5 plus 10, so it will be what? 5 root over 3 plus 15. So if I take 5 as common, so it will be root under 3 plus 3. Now the correct answer is this. It's fine now, na? It's fine now. ठीक है? Everyone, sir, I want analysis of poly. But you can directly tell me, है ना? Okay, fine. We should move to the next question. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ, tell me.
Sir, in question it is given that 10 is the height of Flagstaff fixed
so
above the tower, but we have to find the height of tower.
See, Mansi, see. What you have considered, the tower height is B to A, right? ठीक है?
Yes.
Tower height is from B to A, but हम यहाँ जब 45 डिग्री से देख रहे हैं, we are 10 meter above, right? right?
Yes.
So if it is 10 meter above, so I can consider this length as 10 meter.
Yes.
Okay, and rest this height as h I had considered. Okay,
Sir,
so what
but
is
this 10 meters should be above, no, not below, because it is
the
given that.
ground is here, bacha. Mansi, ground is here. From here you have to calculate ना. आप 10 मीटर ऊपर हो तो आप ना 10 मीटर ऊपर गए, हाइट ऑफ द टावर इज फ्रॉम हियर ओनली ना, so it will be h plus 10. Is it okay? हाँ, you have to understand ना, हम 10 मीटर ऊपर, and you have to realize this thing. आपको अगर नहीं रियलाइज हो रहा है तो करना पड़ेगा. The same type of question आज आपको 10 मीटर ऊपर गए हो तो आप हाइट में this thing that 10 ये already है, I have count because see this length is equal to this length. आपको कैसे समझ में आ रहा है? So now these are all going to be equal. So similarly, if this 10, this will also, this part is coming 10. So rest को मैंने h मान लिया. So आपसे टावर का हाइट पूछ रहा है, not only up to this. You have to calculate from ground ना. Question is telling you directly from the ground, the tower it is standing. So ground is here A, not at C, Mansi. Okay. Fine. Now next question. Question number 2. I think in this also there's something is written wrong, right? Answer में इसमें भी कुछ fault लिखा है. But this question is very popular. Question number 2 and 3 are same type of question. If you are understanding question number 2, you are hero, right? Let us understand, okay? So the question is, so I will leave just in 10 minutes. So the question is like, all of you, this one is a lake, okay? You know, lake समझ में आ रहा है ना? ठीक है?
Yes.
So here is one,
Yes.
like here is a cloud, okay? Here is a cloud. For suppose here is a cloud. So this lake will act as a mirror and the image will be formed here. And all of you must know from physics that this object distance from here, agar ye lake is like a mirror, okay? So this distance, this will be called object distance and this will be called
Image distance.
Image distance.
so first you have to realize this thing कि object distance और image distance equal होता है mirror में, है ना? Then only you will क्या चल रहा है तब आपको समझ में आएगा, है ना? So now next point here in question number 2 we don't have any cloud. In question number 3 we have cloud. तो चलो cloud लेकर ही question number 3 करते हैं. 2 and 3 are both same type of questions, okay? So just start. So now in question number 3 we have a okay, fine. So here is a lake and in this lake na there is one person jo for suppose he is 6 meter above this lake, okay? This is question number 3 I'm discussing, okay? 60 meter above the lake, okay? So let's suppose ki wo kisi like he will be on like some, what I can say, on some ship. तो वो you know ना ship थोड़ा ऊंचा होगा. See, so it is 60 meter above, okay? I will not, मैं लेक पर नहीं ना खड़ा हो सकता. I will be somewhat on boat, something like that, right? So I am on 60 meter height from the lake, okay? And now someone is trying to see the cloud. So he will do what? His line of sight, वो straight दिखेगा तो like that, right? So he will do what? वो अपने आंखों को उठाएगा ना to see the cloud. So this is the angle of elevation, right? So what is this angle in question number 3? What is the
30
angle?
degree.
30 degree, right? 30 degree, fine. So now, just a second. Just a second. So, now, then the point is like, when I will see the cloud, ab yahan ho na, so when you are in shape, you can see the cloud and you can see the image of the cloud also, niche. Fine. So, झुकना पड़ेगा ना नीचे. This will be your, this angle is what? 60 degree. Up to this it is okay? सबको समझ में आया है?
Yes,
समझ में आ
sir.
रहा है?
Yes.
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, okay, fine. Now next point. This one is 60. I'm drawing a straight line. This will be also 60. This will be also 60. ठीक है? Write it as
Yes,
A.
sir.
This one is A, B, C. This one is D, E, F. ठीक है? So you have to understand कि ये मानसी 60 है तो ये भी 60 होगा ना मानसी, right? And let this cloud or
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so the next point is like आप इसको मान लो H, consider this as H. So आपसे क्या पूछा है? Height of the cloud from the lake, तो it will be H plus 60, right ना? Right? अगर आपसे एग्जाम में ये पूछता है कि जो है ना that body at B, उससे क्लाउड कितना ऊंचा है, so we will consider only H, but question is asking कि लेक से कितना हाइट है, so it is H plus 60. Be very practical ना, कि आपसे पूछ क्या रहा है एग्जाम में, है ना? if now you are practicing कि क्लाउड का हाइट फ्रॉम द लेक क्या है तो H plus 60. now in your like in your board exam it will be asked कि जहां पर्सन है उससे हाइट ऑफ क्लाउड क्या है, then you will do H plus 60. नहीं ना, आंख खोल करके रहो, पूछ क्या रहा है, राइट? गेटिंग माय पॉइंट ना? जो बच्चा 95 ला रहा है और 100 ला रहा है ना, वहां फर्क होता है, राइट? वो रियलिटी समझ के समझेगा. दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. ओके, you have to understand what you are asked. Now come to the next point. Now it is easy. See in this triangle, अब क्वेश्चन आसान हो गया. कैसे? When you will do this thing ना, इतना भी कर ले तो एग्जाम में 2 मार्क्स तो सीबीएसई एंड अदर बोर्ड्स आपको ऐसे ही दे देगा, ठीक है ना? बी, सी and A. Here you can see this triangle na, BCA. This angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. This one is H. And now you can see this below figure. This below figure is like that. This one is C na. This one is C. This one is, let me change the color. This one is C. Here it is C. Here it is B. And here it is F. Okay. So B, B here, C and F here. Okay, all of you now notice this one is, we have to understand. Here from B to F, right? B to F, sorry, this one is C na. From C to F, this in this triangle, you can see this C to F, right? I was telling na ki object distance equal to image distance. So this length is H plus 60. This length is X plus 60, right? So this will be also H plus 60. समझ में आ रहा है? अभी का ध्यान देना, ये लेक जो है ना अभी का, ये मिरर की तरह एक्ट कर रहा है, ये मिरर है. So if this is mirror, ये लेंथ आपका H plus 60 है, so this length will also be H plus 60. And
Yes,
then
sir.
we have to in this triangle,
Yes.
आपसे कहां से कहां पूछ रहा है? C to F पूछ रहा है. C is here, F is here. See the total distance, 60 plus H plus 60, that is H 60 plus H plus 60, that is H plus 120. ठीक है? In this one, H, this whole length, C to F, H plus 120. And see, this BC is common here in both, right now? So I'm going to use, and this angle is 60 degree. So ये portion common है ना, so I will apply now. Now it is easy. यही बच्चे को समझने में प्रॉब्लम होता है, दिस वन. ओके, सो नाउ इन ट्राइंगल ए एंड दोस्त बच्चा, आप पहली बार सेशन में आए हो, अटक रहे हो, सी ऑल द थिंग्स आर रिकॉर्डेड, और वो प्रकाश सोनी ओडा क्लास पे अवेलेबल है, ठीक है ना? अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, चेक दैट. ओके, नाउ कम टू ट्राइंगल बी ए बी सी. tan 30 degree, now it is over. tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular by base, that is H by BC. So 1 by root over 3 equal to H by BC. So BC will be equal to what? BC equal to root under 3h. Root under 3h. Now in this triangle, tan 60 degree equal to what? Perpendicular is h plus 120 divided by base is BC. So tan 60 degree is root over 3 equal to h plus 120 divided by BC. So BC will be equal to what? BC equal to h plus 120 divided by root over 3. And now in this equation, BC equal to this much, and here BC equal to this much. So ये root under 3h equal to this much. So much है ना? Very much. Root under 3h equal to h plus 120 by root over 3. So if you cross multiply, root under 3 into root under 3 is 3h equal to h plus 120. So 3h minus h is 2h equal to 120. So h will be equal to 60. एंड सी दिस h is this one, right? आपसे ये पूछा जाता है कि ऑब्जेक्ट जहां पर है उससे क्लाउड का हाइट क्या है, तो दैट विल बी 60, बट इट इज आस्किंग लेक से, सो इट विल बी h plus 60, दैट इज 60 plus 60, दैट इज 120. फाइन गाइस, सबको समझ में आया है?
Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
एंड
sir.
नाउ हाँ सी, जिसको प्रॉब्लम है, हमको पता है प्रॉब्लम होता है, हम भी लेक का क्वेश्चन बनाने गए थे 2-3 times, आई हैव टू ट्राई, नो वन इज एक्सपर्ट हियर, है ना, कोई बॉर्न है ना टैलेंटेड नहीं होता है, सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, ठीक है ना, कि हमको मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना, गो थ्रू दैट रिकॉर्डेड सेशन, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है, आई विल पुट इट, है ना. सो ऑल ऑफ यू, आई थिंक वी हैव बायोलॉजी से, है ना, सेशन. इन बायोलॉजी सर कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन दिस. बच्चा अभी तो समझाया आशना ऑन योर ऑडियो एंड टेल मी.
Sir, I was getting disconnected, so I didn't understand.
तो I will put the recording. आप recording के through go through करके फिर हमसे connect हो, ठीक है ना आशना,
Okay.
ठीक है ना.
Sir,
So
I
more,
have a little doubt. Can
हाँ
you
tell
please
me,
share a screen for a minute?
हाँ हाँ tell me, tell me.
So you had just put it these both BC equations similar. It means
हाँ हाँ
in front of each other. Whereas we can do it also that BC is equal to root 3h. So instead of putting
हाँ
them
हाँ बिल्कुल
equal,
बिल्कुल
we can
बिल्कुल,
put
no issues
BC over
on that,
root 3h.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. हाँ वो
Answer will
डिपेंड
remain
अपॉन,
same.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, दैट थिंग,
Okay, sir.
दैट यू आर आल्सो शरणप्रीत, यू आर टेकिंग द सेम, आप उसी को यूज करोगे, आप यू विल टेल h और जो आप x मानो.
Okay, sir.
In
Excuse
these
me,
two
sir.
triangles you will
Okay.
see that हाँ वो चीज common है, and that thing common is getting utilized, है ना. हाँ sure, you were telling something.
Sir, can you please tell the code for today?
Write the code for today. MTP, है ना, just send me and join your session guys, okay, be serious, है ना. If I'm taking session, don't leave that session, okay. MTP, and rest all the all the questions I have put the solution right in the group, okay, so check that, okay.
Excuse
MTP,
me, sir.
हाँ tell me बच्चा.
Sir, I have a doubt from electricity chapter.
हाँ Nupur, so like you have checked the recording.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, this is Lavanya.
Lavanya, हाँ.
Yes,
Mansi
sir.
has also put a question. You can also put that question to me. You have put it already to me.
No, sir. I was just asking you.
हाँ, so अभी सीरीज पैरेलल कर रहे हैं, वहां तक तो कवर कर लिया. आपका जो पर्सनल डाउट है सेंड मी, ओके, नो इश्यूज ऑन दैट, ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, एनी अदर
Sir,
कंसर्न. हाँ टेल मी.
sir,
Okay, thank
sir,
you.
code please.
MTP. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine,
Yes,
fine
sir.
guys, fine. Join your sessions. Keep studying, बच्चा. Okay.
Sir, what is the code, sir?
MTP.
Thank you, sir.
Bye guys. Bye. Join your sessions. Okay.